Righto, let's go in and get some soil to go in the hothouse. Tell you what, they've got a hell of a lot of soil around here. A lot of stuff. Okay, so I reckon it's that stuff there. Well, it was last time anyway. Beautiful job, mate. Okay, there we go. Full up with soil. I don't know if you can see me, you probably can't, but there's a small light aircraft going over there. But anyway, we've got this filled up. So that's going to not only be good to put plants in tomorrow, it's going to hold the whole structure in place. I think we'll whack some tomato plants in there tomorrow. Right, so we've got the tractor all lined up there, ready to go over and break some ground up later tonight. In the background, which is a pretty drab old day here today after the day that we had yesterday. About 23 degrees, not a cloud in the sky, and then look at it today. Look at that. It's rained nearly all day, it rained all night, so now we're not back to square one with the ground that we've ploughed up, but I'll tell you what, we're not far from it. Anyway, we've just come over here to have a look to see how stuff's going. Well, nothing got washed out last night, but it is very, very wet. But we do have peas up in rows here, and they look like they're going exceptionally well at the moment. I think we're doing a bit of a job keeping the kangaroos out, which is good. So hopefully we'll get over here during the week and run the cultivator up the rows, keep the weeds down. So this is a spot down here that we ploughed up a couple of nights ago, and we ran over it last night with the disc harrows. It is wet. In fact, it's very soggy. But hopefully with a couple of days drying, we might be able to get over here and put some more vegetables in there. The only good thing about the rain that we're having is it's really giving the grass that we sowed down here a really big boot along. Have a look at that. How good does that look? Nice and thick, starting to get to a nice height. Absolutely beautiful. Very happy with that. We've also got some coming on over here. This was the first patch that I put in, and I used a new seed at doing it, and basically I was sort of learning with it, and I really didn't put it in thick enough down here, but it's still coming up okay. There's plenty of clover in it, so there'll be a nice bit of feed in here for the cows in maybe a month's time. That's if we get a little bit of nice weather. I really want to thank everyone who's subscribed to our channel for doing that. It really gives our channel a bit of a boost. So if you haven't already done it, we would really love it if you press the subscribe button. So take it easy, stay safe, dry and warm, and we'll catch you later.